I'm with Joe Manuele. He's the Group Executive of Customer Experience and Collaboration at Dimension Data. And we were just at Dimension Data Perspectives in Cape Town. And we heard a lot of really interesting things. And one thing we heard a lot about is the new Global Customer Experience Benchmarking Report that Dimension Data has just released. So Joe, can you talk about some of the key findings?
Yeah, absolutely, Blair. Thanks very much. We're releasing our 20th anniversary of the benchmarking report. The report has over 1,300 respondents across various enterprises, multiple countries, every industry vertical that you can imagine. We're really excited about the findings this year. We went a little bit deeper than just contact center, really spoke about the whole digital transformation piece and what it means for folks. One of the findings that they really jumped out was the number of channels that clients are using today has risen to 9. We're seeing call volumes on voice decrease, although the quality of the voice channel has increased. But more importantly, the connection between these channels is what's lacking. And what we're going to see people now focusing on more and more is, how do I connect my social channel with my voice channel? And how do I connect my chat with my web channel, for example, to create that customer journey and that customer mapping. So we're really excited about the findings and very excited to be able to create that access to our clients and to our partners. And look for it starting April 4th.
Okay, and we heard a lot about managed services at the event. Can you talk about why that's so important?
Yeah, so as we talk about digital transformation for our clients, especially in the collaboration world, we're seeing our clients moving away from the IP telephony revolution. We saw the TDM to IP telephony happen maybe 10 years ago. Now everyone's using SIP, obviously. The next evolution of productivity and collaboration is to add collaboration tools above and beyond that. And the management of the legacy infrastructure is a burden for a lot of our clients. So more and more Dimension Data takes on that burden away from our clients so that they can focus on delivering productivity tools in their infrastructure. So our managed services business is booming, providing a lot of capabilities worldwide, leveraging our 58 countries that we're present in, where we have legal entities in, and also the relationship with NTT, obviously, where we have relationships across 188 countries.
And what would you say are some of the key takeaways from Perspectives this year?
Well, I think one of the things that Jason, our CEO, spoke about was the importance of hybrid IT. So as we talk about, again, this transformation, it's not flicking a switch. So in the hybrid IT world, which is a little bit of an evolution of what we used to call hybrid cloud, we have a lot of legacy infrastructure that needs to be maintained, that's getting depreciated. Some of these purchases have been made very recently, and the addition of digital assets that need to sit in the cloud or can leverage cloud infrastructure. So we're seeing a huge boom in hybrid IT. Obviously, our services first and our services-led motion is very critical as well. You heard from Bill Patfield, our chairman of our services organization, talk about our services-led conversations. When we have a conversation with our customers, it's really about how can we be of service to you to drive your business outcomes, and that's through simplifying our services delivery mechanisms, our managed services offers, our maintenance offerings across our technology towers, which include collaboration, customer experience, security, data center, and obviously the networking infrastructure business, which is at the core of our DNA. So that's really what we're about. I mean, we touch a lot of the key technology towers for our clients, but we have the ability to deliver these outcomes across our global infrastructure. That was, I guess, one of the biggest takeaways from Perspectives.
And it'll be hard to do this succinctly, but what do you see as the future of collaboration?
Well, what we're seeing right now, there's two major trends that we're following. One of them is the pervasiveness of video. We're big fans of the Cisco SparkBoard product. We think that the ability to add collaboration, whiteboarding, messaging, and video in any room at a very low cost point, a low barrier to entry, is one of the big things that we're following very closely. Over 90% of conference rooms and classrooms don't have any kind of video capabilities today, so we're seeing a big rush towards that direction. The other one is the announcement that Apple has made recently in making a big move in the enterprise. So mobility in the enterprise, with their relationship with SAP, the relationship with Deloitte, and with Cisco, all three of which are very strategic and important Dimension Data partners. We're starting to have a lot of conversations with clients on how we really enable these little mini supercomputers we have in our jacket pockets or in our purses, and we use them more than just sending text messages messages and Snapchatting. So we're seeing real productivity gains being made using enterprise mobility devices, and we're really, really excited about that motion as well.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Joe.
Thanks, Blair.